Hi, do you like this graph? How long do you think it took us to create it? Well, using Creately, it was easy. And today, we're going to show you just how to do it yourself. Hello and welcome to another Love, Language, and More tutorial. I'm Jason and I'm here in the studio with Vlad.
Hi.
And today we're here at the Creately homepage. And now we're going to go through just what Creately is, who's using it and why, what the benefits of this online tool are, and then we're going to show you how to get started using the program. So let's first go down and see who's using Creately. At the bottom of the page here, you can see Creately is an ideal tool for designers, developers, project managers, business analysts. This is because it allows them to share information with clients and colleagues so that they can stay informed with how things are developing. This gives them a sort of visual assurance that things are moving along, resulting in invaluable client or coworker confidence that what you're doing is being done well. So now let's go up to the top right hand corner and click on that login button, all right? You can see it brings up an email and password prompt, which we don't actually have because we don't have an account yet. So we're going to go ahead and click sign up here in the left hand corner. And this brings up a page where we can fill in our name, our last name. We're going to fill in these various fields. And while Vlad does that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that you can also sign up with Creately using your Facebook, your Twitter, or your Google accounts. Now we've got to go ahead and click the Creately Terms of Service Agreement and then just hit Create New Account. And then this will bring us over to the Pricing and Plans page, which is really straightforward. You can see Creately offers plans from $5 to $75 per month, and it also offers a public free trial, which is sort of ideal for us as all we're looking to do is really create a few diagrams and potentially share them with a few of our colleagues. So if you're like us, you might select this and then go up to Creately. Now this is going to bring you over to the most important Creately page. It's your project management page or your home page. Everything done henceforth will be done from this page. You're going to create a new project. It'll appear on this page. Your colleagues or whomever you're sharing your projects with will be able to come to this page as well and see whatever it is you're working on and participate there. What we want to do first is go ahead and select New Document. Now, the first thing we want to do is create a mind map. So we're going to find that on the left here in column here. Then we're going to name our document. And then we're just going to select one of the templates here that looks most appropriate, and then we're going to go select Create Document. So this is going to generate, and I just want to say that mind maps are really great tools for working on with your friends or teachers on homework assignments or school projects, with business colleagues, on teams or colleagues, to instantly share visual arrangements of different ideas. Really helpful as far as brainstorming tools are concerned. And you can see Vlad was able to delete a number of things here. And if he wants, he can go up top here and select from any number of tools that will allow him to change the mind map in different ways. And over here on the left-hand side, another palette allows him to select different images and drag them back over here to the mind map. But now we're going to go ahead and show you another really useful tool, especially for web developers. And the project tool is called Website Wireframes. We're going to name it and click Create Document. And this is a really exciting tool. The wireframe is a visual guide that represents the skeletal framework of a website. The wireframe depicts the page layout or the arrangement of the website's content, including interface elements and navigational systems and how they all work and fit together. Now this is really important because if I hire Vlad to design a web page for me, now I don't have to go meet with him to talk about things that I want to change. I don't even have to email him, in fact. As a collaborator, I can comment within my project here and tell him that I want something changed, I don't like the way something looks, I'm not happy with how things are fitting together. Can he make certain adjustments or changements for me? And he is. And that's a really cool feature that Creately offers. Now we're going to go ahead and show you one more available tool, the organizational chart. Now different organizations are going to find this tool really useful as the diagrams show the structure of an organization and the relationships and relative ranks of its parts and positions or jobs. What we're going to do first here is actually delete this entire right-hand branch or column. And then we're going to recreate it for you just so you can see the use of different tools. Like right up here, after Vlad has selected our Mark Davis, Administrative Manager, you can see a number of things pop up. And now in the top right-hand column here, one of the tools is the one-click create button. It's a really useful tool as it actually generates a replicate of what you have selected. And once you've generated that, it actually remembers the settings and then allows you to recreate it again. One of the other features here that Vlad is showing you is how to reconnect essentially these charts. You simply click on the line, click on where you want the line to go, and like so. So what we're going to do is just recreate this column, have things looking essentially like they did before. You can see that the one-click create tool essentially remembers everything as Vlad demonstrated. Now one of the other cool features that Creately offers, especially for this, is filters. Now you can provide all sorts of information for each individual box here, but if you want to take some of that out or put new information in, it makes it really simple. The next thing we want to do is show you how you can publish this organizational chart. You can do so in a few different ways. The first is by simply embedding this chart into a web page of your own. You can see the web page pops up and the embed link is there. You can copy and paste that somewhere. A few other ways is by sharing it via your social networking sites. You have your Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter accounts you can share it on. And the last way is simply by selecting the URL that's offered here and copying it and pasting it into a new tab. And by inviting people through email or through different collaborators within your project page, you can invite people to view your organizational chart. And here it is. We hope you have found Creately as useful as we have, and we look forward to sharing the next series of tools with you on the next Love Language and More tutorial.